Hey guys, this is Taz over here at Taz Talks. Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the Wolverine Rancher Infinity System. I've been waiting for these. I've actually been waiting to get my hands on these for quite a while now. You have to excuse me, I got a little bit of a cold going on. And yeah, I finally ordered them, got them in, and we're going to be doing an unboxing. And their literature says that they've got a lot of really cool features. Very comfortable, very strong, and we're going to open it up, take a look. Let's get to it.
Taz Talks.
Hey guys, this video does include affiliate links. With these links, you can get to the products that we're discussing, and if you decide you like what you see, please do purchase it through the link. I do get a little bit back from that. It helps me keep these videos going. It'll never cost you anything extra, and please enjoy. Okay, guys, this is the heart of the new Infinity System by Wolverine. It is a triple ply frame, as you can see there. And right there is the DuraShock outsole, and there's the energy bound foam, and the Infinity frame, which kind of holds it all together and supports your heel. There's a few stats. We'll go through them here in a little bit. And here, let's just go ahead and get the unboxing started. Since I've seen so many different reviewers pull out different knives and they show off a different knife every time, there we go. There's a knife, a nice big curvy blade knife. Go ahead and get this box open and start unpacking this. Let me go ahead and pull these. All right, guys, here we go. Here's some of the different specs. I'm just going to read these off to you while we're unpacking this box and getting these boots out. The Wolverine Infinity System, with patented layers providing ultimate comfort and performance. Proprietary Infinity frame stabilizes and cradles the foot. Zoned internal energy bound foam pads compress and rebound for ultimate cushioning. Treaded rubber DuraShock outsole that provides traction and absorbs initial impact. I've had the DuraShocks before, and they actually are pretty good at that. I'm not sure if they just use different densities of foam within that the traction there, but it actually works out pretty good. Let's see. Premium waterproof full grain leather upper with protective toe and heel cap for added durability. Um, Breathable waterproof membrane with moisture wicking mesh lining. I've had this mesh lining before in a few of my different boots, and actually it's quite comfortable. And I don't think my feet have ever gotten wet while wearing a pair of the Wolverines. Not with the mesh lining, the waterproof lining. Removable dual density PU footbed cushions that support every step. Lightweight cement construction. We'll get into that in a little while. Nylon shank for lightweight support. And then the lightweight CarbonMax composite toe with lower profile, increasing strength and resistance to temperature swings, plus protection from impact and compression. I've had their CarbonMax composite toe before, and I've had the lower profile one before. I've never had a problem with rubbing my toe catching the edge of it. I've dropped plenty of stuff on my feet at work, and I've never had a problem with it. I do like their CarbonMax toe. Let's see, it is ASTM certified. I'm not going to read off these damn numbers. It is electrical hazard and slip resistant. Backed by Wolverine's 30-day comfort guarantee. Now, they're actually really serious about that 30-day comfort guarantee. I've actually sent a couple pair of boots back before at different times, of course, because they just weren't that comfortable for me, and then replaced them with a different set of boots. Sometimes they refund you and you got to reorder. Sometimes they go ahead and replace them for you right there on the phone. And they just wait for you to get the other pair back, and then they send out the new ones. But they stand behind their product, and that's what makes all the difference in the world. Right now, what you're looking at on the screen here is the insoles, and I like those. Those are made of a dense, like a foam rubber. They're not that real cheap foam that you usually get with work boots. They look like they'll hold up pretty good. Right there, born in Michigan. Now, I love that tag. Born in Michigan, but these are probably made in, um, I'm not Korea, but probably Vietnam or somewhere like that. I'll have to look it up and see where these were actually made at. I do like the shaft on these. It's a pretty nice design. It's all dark colors. And I mean, I work in a really greasy and oily environment, and I really don't want light colored boots. I've had them before, and they look nasty after the first day you wear them. These, at least you can kind of wipe off and get on with your day. You can wear them after work, and they'll still stand up and look okay. Um, they're a good looking boot. Yeah. Now, let's go ahead and talk about this cement construction. Now, I don't know if that's a fake stitch or not that you saw going across the sole there, but it does say that it's a cement construction, which pretty much means that they're glued. Um, it could be stitched halfway through and then glued the whole length of the sole and then stitched for the front half, or it could be just a fake stitch. What you're looking at there is the DuraShock outsole, and you see where it's got the two different colors is actually two different sets of rubber outsole. I do know from at least past Wolverine boots that those actually measured out to be two different densities of rubber, which actually made quite a big difference. In conclusion, and to wrap this up, these look like they're going to be a really solid boot. They feel like they're going to be kind of really cushy. We're going to go ahead and test these out for the next couple months, and I will get right back with you all and let you know how they did. We'll do a follow-up review. I really like these. I've got high hopes for them, and we'll have to see how they do. See you guys in a couple months.
Thank you for watching. As always, please do hit that like and subscribe. Share this video or any of our videos with your friends and family. Thanks again. We got more coming real soon, and look forward to seeing you.